Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So ito yung reading natin for Earth Sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Take only what resonates. Bali, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Of course, hindi naman ito personal reading, ano. Pero kung makaka-relate ka, makaka-resonate ka, pwedeng hindi 100%, kunin mo lang yung mga magre-resonate para sa'yo. Kung gusto mo, pwede ka magpa-personal reading kay Jing Tarot Trader. Friend ko yun, guys. Siya yung pwedeng magbigay ng personal reading. Okay, let's start. This is for the sign of Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Main energy. Wait lang, hindi ko ito kukunin. Masyadong marami. You do over the Tower. Tell me more. The Eight of Pentacles. Six of Wands. Kukunin ko na rin yun sa person mo, ha? Okay. Five of Wands. 10 of Cups, and the Queen of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Page of Cups. Mutual energy. Or what is the situation here for the sign of Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. You do offer the Grim Reaper and the Cupid's Arrow. Could be dealing with a person in the past. Ngayon, pwedeng may ending or nagkaroon ng ending sa inyo ng person to. Ngayon, nag-focus ka na lang sa career mo. Trabaho ka ng trabaho, ganyan. Or you're busy making money. With the Six of Wands, nakikita natin yung suporta ng ibang tao sa'yo. So, kung bakit na-achieve mo yung mga bagay na gusto mong ma-achieve sa buhay, kung bakit ka nagiging successful, ay dahil may mga tao sa paligid mo na tumutulong, no? Nakasuporta sa'yo. Okay? Alam mo yan eh, hindi ka nawawala ng taong sumusuporta sa'yo. They all support you because, naniniwala sila sa kakayahan mo. Ganon. And pagdating dito sa person na ito, nakakita tayo ng pag-aaway or hindi mo gusto. I feel like may kasalanan itong person na ito sa'yo na naging dahilan para i-cut off or magkaroon ng ending sa inyo. Someone here is being, umarte siyang being immature, or, if this is an ex-wife or ex-husband energy, pwedeng pumatol sa mas bata. So, pwedeng ganon. Pero, sinasabi ko naman, hindi naman para sa lahat yung part na yon. Ngayon, siya yung iba kasi may marriage na involved, siya yung sumira ng kung ano man yung naging magandang binuo ninyo. Okay? Or with regards sa family, siya yung sumira doon. Na pwedeng gumulat, hindi lang sa'yo, pati sa iba or sa lahat. Now, let's get more messages for the sign of Earth sign, please, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. King of Cups, the Fool, Page of Wands, Um, Two of Wands, Eight of Cups, and one more card, Three of Swords. Okay. Love call, abundance, clarify the abundance, please. And abundance is clarified by the not today and the butterfly. Okay, I feel like there's a new person energy sa future mo, no? Nakakakita tayo. Yung iba nandiyan na sa'yo ngayon eh. There's a person na willing siyang pagtakpan or takpan kung ano man itong mga butas na ginawa nitong taong to. Ito person na to, I can see this person will communicate or will message you. Makikipag-message siya sa'yo. There's a potential ng relationship dito with the Two of Cups, with the Five of Pentacles, kasi pwedeng siya yung tumulong sa'yo eh. With the Six of Pentacles and the Five of Pentacles na makamove on sa nakaraan mo with the Six of Cups. Some of you, pwedeng iwasan or hindi masyadong pansinin kung ano man itong taong ito, kung sino man ito makikipag-meet sa'yo or whatever, because you are more focused sa iyong priorities. You will be more focused sa iyong career and money. So, with the Chariot, nakikita natin yung pag-iwas mo dito sa taong ito. But definitely, someone here will try to express kung ano man yung emotions niya para sa'yo. Abundance is here, so you are actually good at manifesting. Gamitin mo yon. Magaling ka mag-manifest, gamitin mo yon. Magaling. Wag kang mag-isip ng, you are the kind of person na matapang ka eh. Magaling ka. Yung iba, talagang positive kang tao. And pagdating dito sa past mo, I can see you walking away. You're still angry. Nandun pa rin yung galit mo dito sa person na ito. Ikaw nito na naglalagay ng boundary sa inyong dalawa. Kasi bakit? Sinaktan ka niya eh. Hindi ka naman dapat ganon. Or hindi ka naman dapat magiging ganyan kung hindi ka niya sinaktan. And with the Two of Wands, itong person na ito has a plan in the future. Di ba may separation sa inyo with the coffin? No? And meron siyang plano in the future. And the Three of Swords, yeah, there's a chance na talagang, or pwedeng alam mo rin naman na may third party na involved talaga sa connection ninyo. And tell me about this, please. What is the plan here? You do have here the King of Pentacles, the Four of Swords, and the Two of Pentacles. This is your energy. Ikaw yan eh. Ikaw yan. Na nag-iisip ka ng growth, na wala kang pakialam sa kanya with the Four of Swords, at ikaw yung maybe stable person. Magaling ka financially, magaling ka mag-isip ng pera, gumawa ng paraan para magkapera. The Three of Pentacles is here. This is you. You are already moving on with the Six of Swords. Okay, so may plano siya sa'yo in the future. And ano yung plano niya? You do have here the Knight of Cups. This is someone na pwedeng humingi ng sorry, lumapit. But I don't feel good about the Magician. Clarify the Magician. Yan, the Knight of Wands. One more card. Hindi ko to kukunin. The Hierophant. and the Empress, Ace of Cups. The moment na mas minahal mo yung sarili mo, I feel like it will show with the Empress. Makikita yun eh. Mag-glow up ka, and then makikita niya na, or marirealize niya there's other people who want you. Ayaw niya yon. So, ang reason kung bakit siya magsasorry is gusto niya kanya ka lang. And I can see a third party situation. The Magician, hindi mo to pwedeng pagkatiwalaan ng taon to. Kasi, it's full of trickery. Paglilin lang. So, pwedeng mag-sorry siya sa'yo, pero, alam mo, hindi ko naman sasabing hindi ka niya mahal eh. Kasi the Ace of Cups is here. Mahal ka nitong taong ito. And there's a possibility na mag-sorry siya or what. There's a possibility na mag-offer siya in the future sa'yo ng something. And then, mag-sorry siya. Pero hindi ko rin ginagarantiya na hindi niya uulitin ko na yung ginagawa niya. The Over the Strength card. Three of Wands. Maaaring ma-miss niya rin yung mga bagay na ginagawa niya na nakaraan. Or ma-miss niya rin yung mga ginagawa niyang kamalian sa'yo. Okay? You would know you are the High Priestess. You should trust your instinct. Magtiwala ka sa instinct mo. Okay? Regarding sa taong to, should I accept this person? Should I give him or her another chance? Lalo na kung ilang beses na ginawa, of course. Ilang beses ka ba handang tumanggap ng alam mo namang paulit-ulitin lang naman kung anong gagawin niya or yung mga ginawa niya. So, thank you for watching guys. I love you all and bye-bye.